Good morning, one and all. Today I'm in front of you to talk about the topic wearable biosensors. One of the new technologies in the field of healthcare is wearable biosensors. It provides vital sign monitoring of patients, athletes, premature infants, children, etc., especially for people in impassable regions far away from medical and healthcare services. People who go to the clinics have to spend much time in waiting rooms, and sometimes the doctors also spend the whole day by hearing the complaints of the patients. So, as a result, they examine the patients very quickly and sometimes cannot recognize some major problems. We have to overcome the situation. One of the ways to improve the quality of healthcare is through application of new technologies. And one such new technology is wearable biosensor. Not only in healthcare system, many other professions, especially in professions where workers are directly exposed to hazardous or dangerous situations, in such conditions, wearable biosensors can be used to protect and save their lives. Now, let's get into the topic. The word wearable biosensors can be split up into two as wearables plus biosensors. Sensors. What are sensors? As we all know, sensors are devices which can detect the changes in the physical conditions like temperature, humidity, changes in water flow, changes in intensity of light, etc., and convert it into quantities which can be measurable or analyzed easily. Now, what are biosensors? As the name suggests, biosensors are devices which use biological molecules to detect the presence of chemicals. Nowadays, these biosensors are available in various wearable forms like hats, shirts, rings, bracelets, shoes, socks, glasses, contact lenses, necklaces, and even watches. As seen in this figure, a biosensor helps to convert the biological signal into an electrical signal with the help of a transducer. Now, a wearable biosensor allows continuous monitoring of physiological signals. The datasets recorded are then processed to detect the patient's clinical situations. What is the need of a wearable biosensor? We have discussed the various needs in healthcare system like for remote monitoring of patients and monitoring of individuals who work with hazardous elements and all. There are some more reasons or needs of wearable biosensors. They are tracking of professional truck drivers and giving them vital signals to alert them from fatigue, and training support for athletes can be given very efficiently. Continuous evaluation of children who are affected by autism like diseases can be done, and then we can help physicians to overcome the limitations of ambulatory technology by using wearable biosensors. These are the main applications of wearable biosensors in different fields. Now, getting into the various components in a biosensor, there are mainly three components: sensitive biological element, transducer, and the associated electronic devices. The working of the biosensor is pretty much simple. That is, the sensitive biological element senses the presence of the substance, the physical substance, and the transducer converts the biological signal into associated electronic signals, and the associated electronic devices further amplifies, and those signals can be read on the digital panels. We can examine the glucometer. We all are familiar with a glucometer. It is a simple example of a biosensor. Usually, a glucometer consists of a test strip. The test strip has mainly the trigger electrode, working electrode, and the reference electrode. While we apply the sample to the working electrode, it uh, it converts the physical signal into an electrical signal which is directly proportional to the glucose present inside the blood. This is a basic working of a biosensor. Now coming into the types of biosensors, there are mainly three types: electrochemical, physical and optical. And there are various subcategories like calorimetric biosensors, potentiometric biosensors, optical, piezoelectric, immunosensors, etc. Mainly these types of biosensors uh, detects the presence of biological molecules in different ways. For example, in an optical biosensor, optical fibers are used to detect the presence of the physical quantity. Optical fibers allows the sensing of properties of elements based on different properties of light like absorption, scattering, fluorescence, etc. Now, there are many developments in the field of wearable biosensors. They are ring sensors, smart shirt, smart clothing, etc. Recently, we all know that the annually 15 millions of babies are born premature in the world, and more than 1 million of this population die or suffer physical and psychological complications due to the loss of body water. Polish researchers has succeeded in designing smart clothing to be worn by premature babies. This clothing is composed of mainly two layers. First layer is the ordinary fabric and the other is a membrane which helps to control or prevent the excessive sweating of the body. Now these are the main developments in the field of wearable biosensors. About the ring sensor, it monitors health, heart rate, and oxygen saturation. It is based on the concept of photoconductor. It is connected as a part of voltage divider circuit and produces a voltage that varies with amount of blood in the finger. The working of a ring sensor is based on the photoelectric method. The light is emitted by LED and is transmitted through the artery, and the resistance of photoresistor is determined by the amount of light reaching it. As the oxygenated blood absorbs more light than deoxygenated blood, we can simply analyze it. The main applications are during hazardous operations, and advantages are that continuous monitoring can be done, it is easy to use, etc. Of course, the disadvantages is that initial cost is very high. And about Smart Shot, it is called Georgia Tech Wearable Motherboard. In these days, smart shots or smart clothing can be used to detect to measure the various constituents of blood like nutrients and all. And in smart clothing, there are developments in smart clothing like uh, the several electrodes are given to the cloth, and a smart shock shocks can be provided into the body to ensure the blood flow as needed. These are the major developments, and the temperature, heart rate, respiration rate also can be detected using smart shots. This is the illustration of basic working of SmartShot. SmartShot is a framework of different devices, and it can be converted into data using wireless communication. And the applications are in sports monitoring. The advantages are right treatment at right time, and the continuous monitoring can be done. Disadvantages are, of course, initial cost is high. Let's conclude. Affordable healthcare at any place, anytime, and anyone can be done using the developments in healthcare system in wearable biosensors. It is anticipated that these wearable technologies will be available in future in affordable cost and accessible to common people very easily. So let me conclude. Thank you.